The Initiatives for Cybersecurity Aware Society, or ICSAS app, developed by NIELIT, is a cutting-edge cybersecurity learning platform that empowers users with comprehensive knowledge to navigate and thwart cyber threats. It offers a comprehensive range of learning resources in multilingual, including videos, text-based information with a text-to-speech feature, and quizzes categorized by levels. The ICSAS app features a coordinator module equipped with an AI-based live face detection and recognition for attendance tracking that is detecting and recording the total number of attendees during awareness events or workshops. During the awareness workshop, the coordinator pans the camera towards the crowd, thereby triggering the algorithm to detect unique faces in the crowd and calculate the total attendees. The multi-face detection algorithm excels in identifying unique faces within a large crowd. The coordinator then scans each user's ICSAS QR code to seamlessly mark the attendance of that candidate. This ensures the accuracy and efficiency of attendance recording for such events.